Okay, hello guys, this is Hassan from HDFX and Gujarat Mineral, I think is how it calls, and I would like to talk about it. Now, this stock is, I think, this is the returning point of it. Okay, now the returning point, I'm looking from the monthly chart, and my idea starts from here. Now, why? Because I see a small triangle here as well. Okay, something like this. Now, for me, or like this, however you would like to look at it. But this triangle breaks, okay, and the move to the upside starts, okay. Now, what does this move to the upside look like? Well, it looks to me like a double combination. How? Well, I will put the wave A here, okay, and let's take a different color. Okay, let's take pink. Okay, wave A here, and where would I put the wave B? Well, I will put the wave B here. Now, if first of all, if this is ending with a triangle and the triangle breaks downside, it means that this cannot be a fourth wave or a B wave. Okay, so this means that this should be a triangle that is happening at the end of a complex correction. This is why I didn't even think that this move from here to the upside can even be an impulsive move. Okay, because the triangle breaks to the downside. If it was a fourth wave or a B wave, then it would have been broken to the upside. It's broken to the downside. And then if this is a triangle, of course. Okay. So the first thing I have to do is to determine what kind of B wave we have. Okay. So what kind of first correction we have. So for this, we need the start of this move, which is probably here, and end of this wave A, which is here. And I should try to understand the retracement level for the B wave. As you can see, the retracement for B wave is more than 618. It means that whatever this ABC, which I think ends somewhere like this, okay, could actually be this one too. It's nothing but a flat. So for the pink, right now we have a flat. Okay, let's select this. Okay, so we have our flat. The second thing that I have to do is, of course, to understand if I finish 1 degree higher here or no. Okay, so does this end something here? For this, I have to draw a 0 to B trend line. This is my 0 point, this is my B point. Now, does this price action comes back to the B wave and breaks to 0 to B trend line? That's the question for me. Well, it does break to 0 to B trend line, but the future price action does not come back all the way to the B wave. What does this mean? Well, it means that whatever this degree here definitely didn't end here. Okay, that's what I do. I put it on the right side. My second question after this, now that I have a flat and I know that it is not a simple correction, okay, what does this mean? It means I need an X wave. Now, this can be an X wave. And what I imagine in my mind that we can be looking for something like this. So we have a wave A here, a wave B here, which is a very big B wave as well. And then we have a C wave, and then we have a D wave, and then we have an E wave. Now, what I like about this triangle is because it is happening at the end of a complex correction, this type of triangle is actually called a non-limiting triangle, in that the future price action will not be limited, okay? And because this is a non-limiting triangle, A and C trend line should not be clean. And look at this. When you draw the triangle from A and C point, you have this E wave actually coming and piercing it. So it's actually breaking it. This is what it should be done. It cannot be clean. Okay? This is good. I like. Also, the B to D trend line here is clean as well. It has to be clean. This is clean too. So it means that whatever this move, first of all, you have to understand that this move started from here, from this degree to this degree, okay, has finished something here in the name of a corrective wave. Okay, so what should I do now? Well, from here to here, you have to understand what kind of move we have in order to even trade. Okay, so for now, we had a flat here, we had a triangle here, and we had the X wave here. Okay, so when you combine these three, so let's do like what I'm actually trying to do is make the chart look a little bit better. So you have a flat and an X wave and a triangle. This actually is called a double combination. Okay, that's it. Okay, you have the first flat, then you have the X wave, then you have the triangle, then you have the double combination. So this is how it looks like. Now, if we end something on this degree, now we are actually going for something like this. Now, maybe even this has finished something on the bigger degree as well. That I cannot be so sure because I do not know the bigger degree, but where we are. Okay, so this I don't know if this actually finished something or no, because we don't know the past, the left side of it. Okay, so don't ever forget this fact as well. So if this is the case, I'm sorry, if this is the case, it means that we are going from here to the downside. Okay, so for this, let's try to go back to one lower degree. So this is our E wave. If this is our E wave, look at this move. What does it look like to you? That's the question. Now, can you label this move as an impulsive move? I cannot. If this is not an impulsive move, it means that it is a corrective wave. And most likely it will be a wave A. If this is a wave A, is it end here or here? We don't know. But to me, what it looks like, because this it has very little retracements, it does look like this is some type of a move that it's most likely a triple combination. Okay, and this may actually end with a triangle here. Then after this, we should see a B wave. Where would I expect B wave? Well, I would like to see 618. So for this, what I would do is something like this. First, this is the end of the E wave, and if this triangle somehow breaks to the upside, and when it will break to the upside, I will exactly put my wave A, because I do not think that this is the A wave. Okay, I think it looks like this is like A, B, C, D, E here, some sort of like this. Look, let me actually try to label what I'm trying to say. To me, this looks something like this. So that's the X wave. This is the A wave. This is the B wave, or maybe the B wave on the right side. This is the C wave. This is the D wave, and we have the E wave. Now, if what I am imagining is correct, then what we need, what we are looking for, is this type of a triangle, and then that is the end of wave A. Now, if that is the end of a wave A, for example, but I'm not so sure about this triangle at the moment, what I should do is take fib level from here to here and expect the 618. Now, this 618 comes to this level for this B wave minimum. Now, what I would suggest you to do is, first of all, we don't know still what I'm trying to say, but this 618 is coming, look, There is no time limitation for it, okay? I like the fact that the 618 will come, well, I'm sure it will not take this much time, but it will retest this big triangle, which you can say, oh, there's a retest here, which I agree. But still, in this type of a big triangle, we will like to see another retest and go down. Okay, so that may be the solution. That would be actually a good thing. So what I would do is the key point of this chart now, the key point of this idea is to understand if we are right, if this triangular formation is broken up, retested, and if we have started to move up. The more we started to move up, the more likely that this idea can be true. Okay, so I hope this makes sense, guys, and I would like to do many more. So I need your support. So don't forget to put a like, please. Thank you so much, and see you on the next one.